Assalamu alaikum. Hello. This is Lensa from Studio Jassmerah. Today, we'll be showcasing a workshop we recently held at the 6th of June in a studio called TM Studio, located in South Jakarta. The theme is titled Twin Warriors, with Kimberly Otelia as the model and my father, Pak De Sugeng, as the mentor. The workshop is divided into 3 sessions, each named based on the techniques used: multiplicity, moving effect or stroboscopic, and light painting. Let's start from session 1, multiplicity, which took place outside. Multiplicity is essentially cloning a person or object. It's done by taking multiple photographs of an object that are in different positions each photo, then combine all the pictures using an editing software. Now on to the next session, moving effect, which took place inside, along with session 3. Now in this picture, what's happening here is called a stroboscopic effect. It's a visual phenomenon that occurs when a motion appears as its distinct separate stages. This was achieved by flickering the lights as the model moves. Keep in mind that this photo was taken in a dark room. A bright room would not work as much. Now to the last session, session 3, light painting. In this picture, we used a technique known as light painting. Light painting is achieved by taking a long exposure photograph of a moving light source. Light painting requires a very low shutter speed, at least a second in duration. Thank you for your attention. We hope to see you next time. Assalamu alaikum.